Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to access the flange of the cabin filter located at the bottom of the windscreen. Take out the waterproofing joint on the windscreen bay by pulling it upwards from one end to the other. To remove the cover, press the locking tab, then lift the windscreen frame. Open the retaining rack and remove the filter.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
There are two types of cabin filter. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first one helps prevent dust from entering, while the second filters out both dust and gases. The choice is yours. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Lift the windscreen frame and reinstall the filter in the flange. Close the rack. Put the windscreen frame back in place. Put the waterproof joint back. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.